What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 credit card information, how to fix invalid credit card information on your PlayStation 5. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen, and you just simply go to the settings first and then user and accounts. Here you go to the purchase and a subscription payment settings. Here you have a payment method. You just simply check the credit card information. You can delete the old one and add a new one. And second option, you just check the purchase setting. Here you must check out, not required. And here is the add a fund subscription, and you just get back. Here you have an address. You must check your address first, the region, your PSN region. You must have the same PSN region and account. Here you have a Turkish, so you must add a credit card information from the Turkey, and after that it will be work. So simply, if you have a US credit card information, UK, then you must make a PSN account at same region. So simply, and that's how it will be work and it will be fixed. So if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.